In the world of cutting-edge military technology, few innovations are as awe-inspiring as the X-47B. This uncrewed, stealthy, and incredibly lethal drone has revolutionized the way military forces approach aerial combat. Developed by Northrop Grumman under the U.S. Navy's Unmanned Combat Air System Demonstrator program, the X-47B combines the best elements of stealth bombers and advanced fighters, transforming it into a machine capable of carrying out complex operations from aircraft carriers, unseen and without human intervention. The origins of the X-47 program. The story of the X-47B begins in the early 2000s, during a time when military forces around the world began to seriously consider the potential of unmanned aerial vehicles. The U.S. Navy, intrigued by the possibilities of autonomous machines that could operate without risking human lives, initiated the Joint Unmanned Combat Air Systems program. Launched in 2001, the program was aimed at developing a range of unmanned systems for 21st century combat missions. The first iteration of the drone, the X-47A, took flight in 2003. It was a critical step in the evolution of unmanned aerial vehicles technology. However, despite initial success, the U.S. military shelved the J-Unmanned Combat Air System program in 2006 following the Quadrennial Defense Review. The Navy, not willing to abandon the vision of having unmanned fighter jets, revived the project and relaunched it under a new initiative, the Unmanned Combat Air System Demonstrator program. This marked the birth of the X-47B, a unmanned aerial vehicles that would go on to defy expectations and achieve incredible feats. The comeback of the X-47B. The X-47B's journey is truly a story of resilience and innovation. Initially written off by the military after the cancellation of its predecessor, the X-47A, the X-47B made a remarkable comeback. Despite initial setbacks, it soon became clear that this was no ordinary drone. Northrop Grumman, leading the development effort, joined forces with several aerospace and defense giants, including Lockheed Martin, General Electric, and Honeywell, to bring the X-47B to life. Beginning in 2007, the project aimed not only to create a powerful unmanned aerial vehicle, but also to revolutionize the future of aerial combat with cutting-edge stealth, autonomy, and long-range capabilities. This collaboration produced a machine that was poised to change the landscape of military aviation. The X-47B was designed to operate autonomously, conduct precision strikes, and perform complex missions, all while being virtually invisible to enemy radar. Overcoming years of uncertainty, the X-47B's success story is a testament to how perseverance, innovation, and collaboration can turn an abandoned idea into one of the most advanced unmanned aerial vehicles in the world. What makes the X-47B so special? The X-47B stands out as a groundbreaking advancement in drone technology, setting the stage for the future of warfare. Its stealth capabilities are among its most remarkable features, with its design modeled after the B-2 Spirit bomber. Unlike traditional aircraft, which often have sharp edges that reflect radar waves, the X-47B boasts a smooth, tailless structure that disperses radar waves, significantly reducing its radar profile. This design, along with radar-absorbent materials, helps the drone remain nearly invisible to enemy radar, enhancing its survivability in contested environments. Beyond stealth, the X-47B excels in autonomy and precision. It operates largely autonomously with pre-programmed flight paths and minimal human intervention, allowing it to carry out high-risk missions like suppressing enemy air defenses without endangering human pilots. Additionally, its advanced avionics, such as infrared sensors, synthetic aperture radar, and a ground-moving target indicator, allow for pinpoint precision in targeting and striking enemy assets. Powered by a Pratt & Whitney F100 engine, the X-47B achieves impressive speed and altitude capabilities, reaching nearly half the speed of sound and soaring up to 40,000 feet with a range of 2,400 miles. Its operational flexibility is further enhanced by its ability to conduct aerial refueling, a significant achievement that extends its mission duration and operational range. This feature allows the X-47B to perform long-duration missions without returning to base, adding to its effectiveness in surveillance, reconnaissance, and precision strike capabilities over vast distances. Testing and development. The X-47B's testing and development process was both rigorous and extensive, showcasing the drone's capabilities under demanding conditions. Its first test flight in February 2011 marked the beginning of a successful series of evaluations that tested its flight stability and operational readiness. One of the most significant milestones came in November 2012, when the X-47B completed its first catapult launch from the USS Harry S. Truman, proving that it could launch from an aircraft carrier, a crucial requirement for any naval drone. The catapult launch was followed by a series of additional tests to assess the drone's ability to operate aboard a carrier. In December 2012, the X-47B completed deck handling trials, demonstrating its capability to launch, land, and recover from a carrier deck. This was particularly important, as the X-47B had to prove its ability to operate in confined and challenging environments while performing these critical functions autonomously. The successful completion of these tests confirmed that the X-47B could be integrated into carrier operations, ensuring its readiness for deployment in real-world conditions. These milestones also demonstrated the effectiveness of the drone's autonomous systems, from takeoff to landing, providing a strong foundation for its potential use in future military missions. With each successful test, the X-47B moved closer to its goal of becoming a key asset in the U.S. Navy's future aerial combat strategy. The deadly combination. The X-47B stands out from other unmanned aerial vehicles due to its deadly combination of stealth and lethality. Drawing inspiration from the B-2 Spirit bomber and the F-22 Raptor, it integrates the best of both worlds. Stealth like the B-2 and lethality like the F-22. The X-47B adopts a flying wing design similar to the B-2, reducing radar reflections and minimizing its radar cross-section with radar-absorbent materials. This makes the X-47B incredibly difficult to detect, especially considering its smaller size of 38 feet compared to the B-2's 69 feet. On the lethality side, the X-47B is equipped to carry a variety of precision-guided munitions, such as bombs and anti-ship missiles, with a payload capacity of 4,500 pounds. Its autonomy further enhances its effectiveness, allowing it to perform dangerous missions for extended periods without a human pilot, making it a formidable force capable of striking high-value targets and carrying out complex operations. The future of warfare. The X-47B represents the future of warfare, a world where unmanned systems are not just support tools, but primary instruments of military strategy. By combining stealth, autonomy, and lethality, the X-47B is poised to redefine how wars are fought in the coming decades. Its ability to operate from aircraft carriers, perform complex missions autonomously, and remain undetected makes it a game-changer in aerial combat. While the X-47B is still in the testing phase and has yet to be deployed in combat, its potential is undeniable. As countries around the world continue to develop and deploy advanced unmanned aerial vehicles, the X-47B is likely to serve as a blueprint for the next generation of unmanned aircraft. It's not just about replacing human pilots, it's about creating a new kind of warfare, one where machines take the lead in protecting national security and achieving strategic objectives. As we move further into the era of autonomous warfare, the X-47B stands as a beacon of innovation, capable of reshaping the landscape of aerial combat and offering unprecedented capabilities for the U.S. military. Whether it's stealth, endurance, precision, or sheer firepower, the X-47B is the unmanned aerial vehicle of the future, and its impact will be felt for years to come. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the X-47B and its groundbreaking capabilities, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on more exciting tech and military innovations. Drop a comment below with your thoughts on the future of unmanned aerial vehicles. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more. See you in the next video.